Fine, students. So the lecture is getting recorded. So a very good morning to all of you. So as I have told you in today's lecture, we will be revising units 2 and unit number 3. Okay. So जैसे कि मैंने कहा students, first let us begin by understanding what exactly is marketing. So see students, just like ये सब functional areas होते हैं, human resources, finance, marketing is also a very important functional area of management. Correct? So in this lecture, what we are going to study is overall what are the various elements that are included in a marketing mix. Okay? So fine. So as you all know, students, marketing is an effort, okay, done to promote or sell our product. See, students, the main aim for any marketer will be that a customer will buy his or her product. Correct? So, in detail, if we try to understand the subject marketing, mix basically means a combination. Okay, a proper combination of all elements. So now if I will tell you students the 4 P's of marketing, we can call it as marketing mix 4 P's. Exam mein the question can be asked in any way. Okay, so the first P, see students, if you remember, I had told you there is a sequence in which we have to remember. Okay, product, price, place and promotion. Correct? You cannot, when we tell numbers, students, we cannot tell it 1, 3, 2, 4. It is always 1, 2, 3, 4. A proper order has to be followed. Same thing that is told over here. The first P, which is product. Now, see, students, product, for example. Let me do one thing now. Let me start sharing the next slide. Product. Can anyone tell me, students, since we all have studied this, what do you mean by a product? Yes, what is a product? If you remember when we had started, I had given you the example of a mobile phone. Correct? Mobile phone, for example, if this is our product, right? First decision as a marketeer, what we have to take is of a product, right? Like so, continuing the example of product, whenever we buy a new phone, what we see is basically क्या phone में features है, how much storage it is having, brand कैसा है. Branding is also very important, students, creating a brand name. If you remember, right, I had told you like how Mercedes, this is a brand. Phone ka example since we are taking, so Redmi is a brand, Samsung is a brand, Apple, again a very famous brand. Correct. So again, in order to build a good brand image, goodwill, what we are talking about, yes, companies have to work on creating the brand. And maybe if you see students, along with quality, I always keep on telling you in today's time, quality is one aspect. Marketing is also a very important thing. So see what's written in the slide. What solution does the customer need? Customer ko kya, what he wants? Because at the end of the day, you all will agree, students, in today's time, customer is the king. Correct? We have studied traditional marketing versus modern marketing. So you all know, students, in traditional marketing how marketing was done in previous days. Maybe there the seller was the king. He was like, if customer is in need of our product, he will come up to us and buy, right? But in today's time, students, I have told you, currently fourth unit also we are studying. Today's marketing is all about social media, right? Focusing on customers. Why? Because already there is so much competition in the market. Correct? So, as I was telling, features and design. Phone ka example, if I will give you, everyone prefers to have a light version of phone, right? You want the design to be of a touch screen, maybe something that is easy to use. Okay, more something you can rely on easily. हम बोलते हैं ना, आज के टाइम में everyone likes to save time. Okay, user experience, students, nowadays everyone before purchasing a products, what you look for is feedback. right? You always want a good solution. So feedback means what, students? What you are asking basically all your customers, right? How was your experience? Warranties, guarantees, all of it come under user experience. Okay. Naming. Naming your brand is again very important, students. Okay. What name you are giving, because it is something that, you know, is like an identity mark. Very good part. Yes. Branding, I told you, differentiation. Differentiation means what, students? How you will differentiate yourself, बाकी लोगों से अलग कैसे होना है. Like for example, how Chinese brands like Redmi and all, they are more, maybe, in terms of pricing, they are very competitive, right? उनसे affordable phones नहीं है. Take the example of Apple on the other hand, right? They have created such a distinct brand image of themselves, right? ऐसे कैसे, even if they are selling expensive phones, they have their own separate operating system, right? So this is what makes them unique. Mercedes also, students, it is a very luxury brand. Still, why people prefer to buy it? The main reason is because they know, basically, students, ki, right, it is something like owning, having a status symbol, right? Product me, if you remember, students, we had also done product life cycle. Do you remember the stages? Introduction, growth, maturity, decline. Correct. Usme if you see, whenever your product is new in the market, naya hai, you cannot expect many people to buy it. Correct. तो स्टार्टिंग स्टेज में इट इज ऑल अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट, राइट? देर इज नो प्रॉफिट, नो सेल्स. धीरे धीरे फिर जैसे ही हमारा ग्राफ ऊपर जाता है, ओके, ग्रोथ स्टेज. At this stage, now more and more people are starting to use our products, right? What is happening is they are, word of mouth publicity. I've told you, students, in marketing, word of mouth plays a very important role. Okay, they will inform 10 people if they have used my product, they will inform 100 more people about it. Correct. That is known as word of mouth. So after this, if you know, students, at growth stage, company will start earning profits. उनके sales ज़्यादा होंगे. तो ये stage पे company को what they have to focus on is, adding channels of distribution. Okay, if I will tell you, channels of distribution means what? Maybe, someone else who can sell my product on my behalf. So what I will do basically is I will add wholesalers ko, I will add retailers ko, I will add. If they are selling my products, they are helping me to earn profits, I will help them, I will give them commissions, right? It is like a simple give and take relation. Okay. Next, if I will tell you, students, basically the next point is introduction, growth, maturity. Now एक ऐसा stage आ जाता है, students, where we feel कि there is too much competition in the market, we are not able to achieve enough profits. So ऐसे stage पे what we can do, students, basically is, invest more in research and development. Okay, I have to work on improving my quality, reducing the price. Agar maturity stage pe if I don't work on it, okay, what will happen is competitors will overtake my brand, and उससे मेरे brand का decline हो जाएगा. Decline means what, students? Ultimately, as you all know, I will start earning losses. It is simply the time to pack up my business, wind up my business. ओके. आई होप आप लोगों को समझा. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोडक्ट में ही, इफ यू रिमेंबर, देयर वाज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट ऑफ पैकेजिंग. Packaging में, if I have told you, students, now I will link unit 4 also over here. See how I am trying to link all the units basically. Okay, in today's time, what a customer will expect you, उसका जो भी packaging होगा, okay, that will be eco-friendly. That is the reason why more and more cardboard boxes are used. Okay, cardboard boxes, paper bags. So that is what is told over here. तो दोनों चीजें important है. The main aim of packaging is, students, is not just physical attractiveness. Protecting the product is also a very important part. ठीक है? I hope you all have understood, students. Okay. So now we'll move to the next P. As you all know students, your unit 2 basically, it is revolved around product and price. फिर यूनिट 3 जो है प्लेस एंड प्रमोशन के ऊपर है, करेक्ट. सो आई होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. दिस इज अ रिविजन लेक्चर. ओके. Yes. Now let me move to the next slide, which is price, students. Okay. I hope it is visible, students. Yeah. Price is a very important aspect, students. As I have told you, whenever we are taking pricing decisions, there are many factors to be considered, right? हमारे profit margins कितने हैं? What cost मुझे जो cost में पड़ रहा है, I will make sure कि at least my profits are covered. Okay, otherwise there is no use, students. Correct. So depending on the economic situation also, like currently if you see, all the products unke prices are very high. Why? Because since past 1 year companies have faced many losses. Okay, so ये सब situation, inflation rate क्या है, depending on that pricing decisions are made. Okay, now price पे what I have told you is, see, value to a buyer. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल एप्पल का फोन है, इवन इफ इट कॉस्ट 1 लाख रुपीज, कस्टमर शुड फील कि हाँ मुझे ये 1 लाख जो है इसका वैल्यू दिख रहा है कुछ ना कुछ. ओके. प्राइस सेंसिटिविटी, this is a very important thing, students. Indian customers specially, they are very price sensitive. Means what, students? If I will tell you, अगर प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, आप चार्ज करोगे, they are not going to buy from you, right? They will switch brands, they will switch to competitors. तो sensitivity means what, हमें प्राइस इतना भी ज्यादा चार्ज नहीं करना है कि customers won't buy products from you at all. And at the same time बहुत low price भी charge नहीं करना है, right? Why? Because if we charge low prices, क्या होगा, we as a company, sure, what will happen basically is, we are cutting down, we are losing our profit margins. Correct. Existing price points, discounts. Now students, companies whenever they are new, ये आपको promotion में I will tell you. So what happens is they want to make sure उनके maximum sales हो. करेक्ट. तो उसमें वही लिखा है, वी डिड अ इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट टाइप्स ऑफ प्राइसिंग ऑल्सो. करेक्ट. उसमें क्या होता था, स्टूडेंट्स, if I will tell you, if you remember 2 3 examples, I am quickly sharing now in types of pricing. The first example is penetration pricing. Okay, PENETRATION, penetration pricing. So as you all know, students, what happens in penetration basically is, companies initially they will charge a low price, बाद में price बढ़ा देंगे, later they will make the prices high. For example, take the example of Jio. How initially they had offered very affordable data packs to the customers. Correct? उसके बाद once they became famous, they increased the prices. Still they are increasing. Okay, this is penetration. Talking about skimming, SKIMMING. So skimming pricing, students, उसमें क्या होता है, basically exact opposite of penetration. Companies will initially keep the prices very high, then lower it. Best example is of iPhone phones, correct? Whenever they are launching new phones, yes, good Pooja. What they are doing is, initially they will keep the prices very high. Okay, 1 lakh ka phone and all. But as their technology is getting outdated, what they will do is, after 6 months, 1 year, they will reduce the prices because they know demand कम हो चुकी है product की. Correct. So that is what is told over here. Okay, one more example, competitor pricing, it's told over here. I told you, students, if competitor, for example, if there are two brands, Colgate and Pepsodent, correct? If competitor is reducing the price, what we will do is, we will also reduce our prices, right? Otherwise what will happen, they will not buy from us. Okay, इसके अलावा if you remember, there was one odd pricing का concept. Odd pricing को we also call it as psychological pricing. Okay, what does psychological pricing mean students? Depending on the customer, उनकी क्या psychology है. Okay, so for example, if I will tell you, instead of writing 100, they will write the price as 99. Okay, yes, very good part. Instead of writing 1000, वो लोग प्राइस टैग में 999 लगाएंगे. Why? Because this is a technique, students, by which they want to attract customer at the back of the mind. He is feeling कि हाँ चलो मेरे कहीं ना कहीं पैसे बच रहे हैं. After all, everyone likes discounts. Who doesn't like to save money? Correct. Bundle pricing, like what Big Bazaar and all do, they will encourage you to buy products in large quantities. इससे क्या होगा, पर यूनिट जो प्राइस है कम हो जाएगा. It is like a win-win situation. Customer को what benefit he is getting? Basically, he is getting the products at a low rate, and company ko what is happening is, they are able to sell more quantities of the product. Okay, I hope you all are understanding. Okay, now let us move to the next P. Product price, we are done. The next most important P is place. Okay, so let me just share the slide with you. This is like, students, as I have told you, a revision of second and third unit. Okay, the next P is place. Yes, this is the P, students. Next week, when we meet, students, we will be revising first and fourth unit. Okay? Yeah. Place. Now, students, in place, how does the customer act or buy? Main thing is location of the purchase. Students, in traditional marketing, especially, these concepts have changed now. Pehle, there was the concept of only physical stores. Okay, nowadays, if we see second point, it's written ease of transaction. Means what? Basically, students, is nowadays there is more and more online shopping, e-commerce, that is happening, right? Customers like to sit in their homes and order the products. So that is what is told over here, basically. Okay, so location. So students, यहाँ पे access to distribution channels. If we talk about, in place, distribution channels plays a very important role. Means basically, for example, if I am the manufacturer, this chain, right? Manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, customer. Okay, like from the manufacturer to the customer, जो product मैं manufacture कर रही हूँ, to the till the time it reaches the customer, there are many people who are involved, right? Wholesaler is someone who buys your product in bulk. Correct. Retailer, for example, if you go to any local kirana store, okay, he is a retailer for you. वो आपके लिए he will keep the product in small quantities. ठीक है. And at every state, students, what they are doing is they are basically keeping commissions. Since they are selling products for me, I am giving them some benefits in the form of commission. Correct. Very good, Pooja. Electronic retailer means, take the best example of Amazon, Flipkart. They are nothing but electronic retailers, right? They are charging a commission. So, students, if you remember, isme in this concept of place, we had studied warehousing and transportation also. What are warehouses, students? A place where products can be stored. Correct. Like for example, abhi rainy season is going on, to in order to protect the products from rains, warehouse is a place where products can be stored. I had also told you about logistics and supply chain management over here. What does logistics mean, students? To make sure कि right from the time एक manufacturer के warehouse से till the time a product reaches the customer at his home, all the transportation part that is involved, a physical movement of goods ka, that is known as logistics. Okay, supply chain management, at the end of the day, students, we have to make sure कि कोई भी product है, it reaches the customer on time. Correct. So that is what we had covered. Sales force. So these person, students, those who are involved in selling the products. Again, we have to train them in a professional way. Correct, because if something goes wrong, customer, what he will see, his impression will spoil about your whole brand. Correct. Competitor approaches. So as you all know, students, nowadays, in there is easy courier tracking, so many things are happening. So competitor approaches, so we have to always keep an eye on our competitors, what they are doing. Okay, basically I am talking about healthy competition over here, student. अगर उनके भी कुछ strengths है, if they are doing some good practices, we can always learn from them. Okay, I hope you all are understanding. Now, let us move to the last P, students, which is promotion. You all know the meaning of promotion, students, basically, right? कोई भी product है, we all have taken important decisions now with regards to the product. Okay, price we have fixed, place we have decided where I want to sell. Place may, students, initially I will maybe, let's assume if I'm a smartphone company who's selling my products in Mumbai, धीरे धीरे I will always aim over a period of time that I want to expand my business, right? Maybe to the whole of Maharashtra, at one stage even the whole of India. Correct. So now let us move to the last P, promotion. So you all know, very good students, advertising is a part of promotion. Okay, you all know, dialogue. See, students, in promotion, dialogue means communication is a very important thing. We have to ultimately communicate in the form of advertisements. Over here there are many important things, students, like public relations, if I will tell, sales, promotion, direct marketing. I will explain you in short. Method of delivering message, like for example, direct marketing I had told you, right? Companies, what they are doing basically is, through these online platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, directly they are marketing to the customers, right? More time saving, better way to reach out, good puja, social media. Talking about now, sales promotion. Okay, first I will cover personal selling. If you remember, students, in personal selling, I had given you the example of water purifiers. For example, how before COVID times, these salesperson used to come to our home, actually demonstrate us कि ये water purifier use करने से you will get clean water. Something like that. Okay, personally आके they are selling you, they are giving you a live demonstration. Why? To make the sales process more effective. Correct? Talking about sales promotion, students, sales promotion may, nowadays companies, they come up with, end of season sale, introductory offers, free sampling programs they are doing. Right? क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं students? The main reason is they want to attract customers. ओके, इसके अलावा पब्लिक रिलेशंस, फॉर एग्जांपल स्टूडेंट्स, PR, public relations, is a very important concept. In this, what is happening, students, is companies are having their own 24 hours ka call centers. They are constantly asking for feedback from customers, because traditional marketing mein how we have sold the product means our work is done. It is never like that, students. Okay, in today's time, if you see, okay, we have to make sure if they are having any queries, returns ho, replacements ho, they have to be worked on. Correct, otherwise we will lose our good brand image. Okay, that is the reason why it is important to have call centers where we can take constant follow ups, feedbacks, right? Time of delivery, very important. I've told you, students, for example, if a customer has raised, okay, any problem today, we have to make sure कि there is a time limit in which we are solving his problem. Otherwise हमने time में, if we are not giving him the resolution, what will ultimately happen is, he will be disappointed, he won't be a loyal customer. And ultimately we always aim for loyalty in customers. Correct? Yeah. Communication by customers and influencers. You know, students, in today's time, all the influencers basically, right? There are so many people who can promote our products. That is what is told over here. Competitor promotions means looking at our competitors also, what good practices they are following. We can always implement those practices. See, ultimate aim, students, you all know of marketing, any functional activities to improve our bottom line. Means what? Basically to improve our profits. Correct? And through these various combination, if you remember promotion mix also, there was a concept which we had studied, right? Promotion mix means what? Initially, you know, students, advertising was done only through newspapers, radios, televisions. Nowadays we have to use a proper mix, like proper combination. Traditional media we have to also use, and at the same time, you know, social media and all, we are supposed to use it, right? Modern techniques, personal selling use करना है, online advertisement, very good. इफ यू रिमेम्बर, हमारा जो फोर्थ यूनिट था स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, उसमें वी हैव स्टडीड ऑल अबाउट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, करंट ट्रेंड्स क्या है मार्केटिंग में. करेक्ट. सो हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड द फोर पीस ऑफ मार्केटिंग स्टूडेंट्स? See now, I will share the main PPT once again. This, so students, today what we did is a revision of the second and third unit for the subject TYBCom Commerce. Okay, yeah. Our subject is entirely based on marketing, students, the concept of marketing. Okay, yeah. So have you all understood now, students, unit number 2 and 3? So this video I have specially recorded it for you all. Okay. So let me just stop recording now.